Hey friends, in today's video we're working with PEX. This is great stuff. In fact, we're making this DIY PEX manifold. So I want to show you one part in particular that has been really important for us. So the next thing we need to do is actually attach where the water heater is coming in to this specific inlet right here. Make sure those are connected nice and easy. Let me show you what I'm going to use for that. So this is a push fit coupling, and you can actually buy this on Amazon. Again, we'll put some links in the description box below. These are also called Shark Bite is the brand that you can grab in other big box stores. But basically all you do is stick one of these on one end of the 3/4 inch. And again, these are 3/4 inch, you can get them at 1/2 inch as well. And then the other one goes on the other side. And it's just a really simple way of connecting two PEX pieces. And then if you ever need to remove it, there's this little tool here that you can get over the PEX push up. It pushes on this little gasket, I guess is what it's called on the outside here, and will slide right off. So again, nothing is really permanent. We can actually take this off and switch it up if we need to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it on one end of my area right here and just do that by pushing on it like that. Again, I had to use two hands and really shove it on there, but again, it's not coming off, and this is actually watertight. They're really cool fittings. Okay, now looking at this, you can see where I need to cut right about there. Again, so we have enough room to push this down onto it. Okay, easy peasy. Once I cut that, all I did is push that nice and tight down on there. We have a great little push to fit coupling right there. So that is my favorite way to connect PEX. It's just super easy. They're a little bit more pricey than your traditional clamp style, but honestly, they're so easy. I just highly recommend them. You can find them right here on Amazon. If this project has helped, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and make a ton of these little DIY tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next project video.